Hello YouTube. Thought I'd crack open a few cars. Here's a Chevy Camaro concept treasure hunt from 2009. I wasn't gonna crack this one. I don't think I have it on the card, but it's all bent up. It's all creased. Really nice. I didn't have this one cracked. I got quite a few of these Camaro castings. Rear tail lights. And some Johnny Lightnings. I picked these up. They were $1 a piece. So this is a 1971 Chevy Camaro Z28. I know a lot of people don't like the Johnny Lightnings from this era, but I actually like them. Plastic tires. They're well done. Very nice paint job on this. Can't pass it up for $1. Plastic base. That's what a lot of people didn't like about them, but you know what? They roll really nice. Rolls almost like, yeah, it probably does roll as good or better than a lot of Hot Wheels. Black with flames. 1968 Shelby GT500. Really nice body lines on that. Makes it look like the door can open. No hood. Flames are done real well. Rear tail lights. Headlights. Plastic base. Plastic tires. Still really well detailed base. Has all the components there. Rolls really nice. One I was excited to get, a GMC Typhoon. Don't really care for the color. Looked better in black or white. Still nicely done. All the hoods open on these. Got good detail under the hood. It's not painted or nothing. It does say stuff on the back. My camera will focus. Almost. I won't focus on it. I don't know why. It ain't focused at all now. There we go. I'll put it back there next to my other one. I do have in white. Plastic base, plastic tires. Still really nice. And one I was going to open, but now I'm not. I just noticed it had white rims. I don't know if this is a white Lightning or not. If anybody out there can tell me, I would appreciate it. So I'm going to set that one aside. And then I got some Hot Wheels Super Treasure Hunt. Chrysler 300C. Very nice car. I always like this casting of the 300. And the black and green just looks really awesome. That antifreeze Spectra Flame Green is probably my favorite color Hot Wheels has. Rubber tires. Really nice. Next is Hot Wheels Whips Team Bartwell. New School Cadillac Escalade. Cut it open off camera just in case I cut myself. Don't want to get that on film. Pretty heavy casting though. You don't see this casting very often. It's hard to find. Looks really cool in that, I don't know what color you would call that. Kind of like a rust color, I guess. Not quite a burnt orange. Nice rear tail lights and rear detail. Rubber tires with tread. Detailed base, plastic. Happy to have that. That's the first of that casting I have. A T-Hunt from back in the day when they had rubber tires, I think. Thought this had rubber tires. Maybe them were plastic. Let's have a closer look and find out. Yeah, they're plastic. Two-piece at least. Still, really nice looking casting. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you what that was, and I think it was tore it open. Just says treasure hunt. I don't know where it tells you what car that was. Oh, right here. It's a Cadillac Eldorado. 1957 Cadillac Eldorado. Next up, another T-Hunt. This one does have rubber tires. From 2005. And all it says is a 2-window. Sorry, I forgot to look at the name of that one too. 3-window. 34 3-window. That's all it says. 34 3-window. Z-Mac on the side. Metal base. It's all metal. The fenders are part of the interior. They're plastic. Metal bumpers. Full detail. TH on the trunk. Still one I'm happy to add to the collection. And last up is a M2, but it's a 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge, and it looks sweet. It was only a couple bucks. In the blister, it's all cloudy. Oh wow, couldn't even really see that paint in the picture, or in the blister, I mean. White interior, looks real nice. Says the Judge on the fin. I love the ones that have stickers in the windows, or little stickers like that. I've always put stickers all over anything I've ever owned, toolboxes, my garage. I think it has an opening hood. Yeah, it just moved a little. Tell you, they make these so difficult. Oh well. Rubber tires with tread. I don't collect a whole lot of M2, but I collect Pontiac GTOs. Well, thanks for joining me and opening up some more cars, and have a good day.